Good morning. Welcome to Medical Lake Community Church. I'm Melissa, and if this is your first time joining us, we're so glad you're here. We'd love to send you home with a free goodie bag, so please take a moment to check in online by scanning the QR code on the back of the bulletin. We'll sing some songs before hearing this week's sermon, but first I've got a few announcements for you. You can scan that same QR code to get more information about any of these announcements, or use the link below if you're watching online. February approaches, and that means it's time to revive our annual celebration of love. We'll be sharing a meal as well as enjoying a talent show, so we'll need your help to make it a success. The celebration of love will be on February 11th, just a few days before Valentine's Day. If you'd like to showcase your talents or want more information, scan the QR code on the bulletin or use the link below to learn more. We're currently looking to hire a regular attendee to perform outdoor maintenance like snow removal and landscaping. This is an hourly paid position with part-time hours. If you're interested, scan the QR code on the bulletin or use the link below to learn more. Our nursery is open during both Sunday services, and we're in need of some more volunteers. We're looking for regular attendees who are excited to care for babies and toddlers during either service once every few weeks. If that sounds like you, scan the QR code on the bulletin or use the link below to learn more. And with that, it's time for our call to worship.